It's very bad. And you fucked up this one. He breaks it. Yeah. 1 month ago we had the Panamera challenge, but right now we have a big issue. Our suspension died. As you can see, I don't think, hopefully I can make it to the mechanic shop, but we'll have to see. The idea is right now, the right one, also the right wheel, it's also down because this one is trying to make the system work, but as you can see, it's very down. I think it's busted from inside, but we have to check it. So the compressor, I think it's working to push air, but we have to see now. Like, I'm going to just open the car and see if it starts something. Usually it starts when you open the car, it starts to rise up, but right now nothing, it's just dead. Let's start the engine and see if something is up. The suspension actually started once I opened the door, but only on the right side. I can show you on the right side. And here looks like normal being on sport. This is like I think it's lower than sport. It's bad. It's very bad. I have to show you. Already I have the extreme level weight and here ready for operation. Engine must run, but I don't think nothing will happen. As you can see, the compressor is trying to push air, but it doesn't work. Let's go to the mechanic shop and see what we can find out, because one of the suspension, so it's a lot of money, but maybe we can get it from America and maybe it will be cheaper than the OEM parts. We're on the road towards the mechanic shop. I don't know if you can feel it. The car, actually, you can't feel the car how it feels right now, but you can see how the camera works. It's bad. Right now I think I can go like 30 maximum. In Romania there are a lot of potholes and it's bad. I don't know if you see right now, I'm with my hazards because I'm going very slow, and I think every bump, oh shit, that's a big one. Oh fuck. Yeah, you basically can't drive the car because it's very bad. Fuck. Yeah, this is just a small update of how it feels in the car. It feels like a very bumpy ride, like off-road ride. I'm really thinking of selling the car because the air suspension, like the left part, it's a lot of money, and I don't think if it's worth it. I paid like 2K on the tablet, the navigation system. I paid oh shit, that was hard. I paid for the valves, also for the ignition switches, also I paid a lot. I put like around 6K in the car, and now the left air suspension is fucked, so it'll be another, I don't know, hopefully 1K instead of last time I paid 1.5, something like that. Maybe we find a better solution for it. I'm very sad because I love this car. I like it so much, but I'm sad. Maybe we have to see it go, because I put a lot of money and changed a lot of things on it. It has 160k miles on it, or 220k kilometers. But I don't know, I just love the car. It sounds good. I love it. It's my first Porsche. Even though it's old, I wouldn't change it for the newer model. I don't know, I like it so much. We just left it at the service shop. Now you can see it better. I say it's very bad. That's how I drove here. We also have another Panamera here. I think it's a newer model. It's hybrid though. Yeah, it's hybrid. It's normal hybrid, it looks like. It's not turbo. It says only 4, Panamera 4. So I think it's only Panamera hybrid. But look how beautiful is mine. So fucking beautiful. To make a video about the suspension because I was in the UK. Right now I'm just going to show you the final product, which is the suspension has been fixed. It doesn't have any issues, it doesn't have any errors. We changed the compressor and the suspension, the left part on the driver's side. Yeah, so right now it's looking good. Because we didn't have time to film what happened to the car, right now we have a different issue, which is helping my stupid friend fixing his spoiler because he fucked up trying to remove his spoiler, and right now we're trying to remove all the silicone from its car without removing the paint. It is kind of an expensive car, it's an M6, so also I want to show you 1 month after owning the tablet or navigation system. It has some issues. For example, when you drive, Waze locks here. That's the biggest issue in my opinion. This is cool. Having 2 tablets, it's fucking awesome in my opinion. Because I already put a SIM card inside, and because I can do this. I can put YouTube music here, put it on the next screen, and here I can have Waze. This is using the internet from my SIM inside the navigation system, so this works probably better. Even the quality right now, even the quality of the music from YouTube Music app inside the navigation system, the sound is much better than the CarPlay. So let's help our friend and see what we have to deal with, because from the video he fucked up. You look very happy.
I'm very fucking happy.
Say again. I think he also removed the paint here. Yeah, 100% he removed the paint.
Not a chance, my friend.
Yeah, sure. Can you say in English what have you done to the car? Because it looks awful. It looks like shit. So basically you tried to remove this spoiler, but you fucked up.
No.
And tried to...
No, I didn't. No.
Tell me how.
I actually didn't.
You fucked up the car here.
No, the original seal from the factory is way harder, then also is like older and sticky as well, so you cannot remove it like a normal one.
So basically my friend is trying to say to me in a poor Romanian language that his new spoiler is going to cover up all the shit that he has done to the car. And in my opinion this is a M6, a shitbox M6, less better than my car, because mine it's a Panamera and this is the shitbox. Look, this is the shit owner, the BMW owner. This is how he looks.
Boss, I have double horsepower. Shit.
Call them.
What horsepower do you have, my friend?
750.
How much do you have? 400.
Okay,
sorry.
can you put it down on the wheels? How much can you put down? Yeah, well, in winter?
All of them.
Okay.
With the summer tires.
With the summer tires, it's winter time, my friend. It's winter.
Yeah, fuck.
So you fucked up. Keep scrubbing. Tell me who's your boss. You put the heat gun here, and you fucked up this one. Don't you need to do this part?
Yeah, I will, but not right now.
So now you're exercising your English for your English audience, because you have a shitbox M6.
Yeah.
And maybe you want to make videos online.
Not a chance.
Say hello to the people.
Yeah, fuck off.
I'm sorry for my friend. He's kind of a jerk, like most of the time. And right now he's putting a big ass spoiler. Couldn't you find a smaller one?
No.
This looks like you want to take flight.
So I have my finger here. It's almost the double the size.
Yeah, double the size, right?
Yeah, but this one is longer. That's why you didn't count like
yeah,
this.
Yeah, it looks
because
better.
Look, if it will be the same size, it's not that bigger. We're not too much. The only difference, this one is higher than the original one. This is the only difference. The high difference, because this one is longer, this one is shorter. But with the high difference, that's why this one looks bigger. But when you actually put it on the car, it's not that big. Ah, fuck.
Good job.
I don't care. If you put it on the car, And looking from this angle, it's not that big.
Man, it's big.
Will be almost the same like the other one. The only difference, that one is longer. This is the only difference. That one is longer, this one is shorter, and that's why it looks bigger.
Saw it on my BMW, it's a bit too much, trust me. It looks like too much. Also, you have underglow, so don't forget about the sponsor today, and it's me. If you want to buy my car from Gumtree and help me in the challenge of flipping the cars and repairing them, just head out to Gumtree. You'll see my listing there. I'll put a link in the description. And if you like it, the car, and you want to buy it straight out of Gumtree. So right now we finished almost cleaning up, and right now we're trying to polish out this dirt. Right now I'm trying to polish it out. It doesn't seem like it's working. I don't know why it's seeing like that, like it's in steps. Yeah, I think it's the light shows like. Sorry about that. Yeah, I'll show you how it looks after we finish it. Right now we still have a lot of work to do because the silicone is not getting out. It got into the paint, as you can see. If we want to remove the silicone, we also need to remove some paint. So yeah, that's a big issue. Stay tuned for life with my friend. Yeah. Right now we're finishing polishing the car, and then afterwards we're going to close up the gaps, the scratches that we did, and we'll see the final look. You're testing if the front lip works, because this is a carbon fiber front lip.
The sparge.
It breaks it.
Yeah. I see.
You don't have the proper tools to do it. You will break it. But this is actually carbon fiber, right?
Yeah.
How much was it?
No idea.
So this is the final product, I would say. How much was it?
Not that expensive.
It was 400 quid. Because it's real carbon fiber. Can I break it?
Not a chance.
So it's the saying, if you break it, you pay it, or something like that, right?
Something like that.
So we're going to show you a cold start. It has a custom exhaust. We can't put the spoiler yet because we don't have silicone to put it, but it's smooth. It should be an easy job for my friend. I'm not going to assist him. Yeah. We're going to show you how it sounds, the custom exhaust. Where did you do the exhaust, man?
Poor Tuning UK.
Can you say again?
Poor Tuning UK.
Poor Tuning UK. So the underglow looks good. You feel like in Need for Speed when you are young. I don't know if you can hear me, but the custom exhaust, it's loud. To be honest, it sounds good. Even though it's loud, it sounds good. See you in the next video. Hopefully we can sell the car that we have in England and continue the challenge so we can get to a Ferrari 458 Italia. We're going to see if we're going to use the money to buy from Copart UK or Copart from Germany. We'll see which is better for us and what deals we can find. Hopefully we can sell it fast. If you didn't watch the video with the car that we custom made it, the BMW, watch it now and tell me your opinion.